Hello everyone, my name is Allison Burton and I'm the programmer for the North Adams Library. Now, today's theme is going to be a bit different. Today's theme is all about you. Being yourself, following your dreams, and being the best you can be. So, I'm going to start with a rhyme called I'm Glad I'm Me. No one looks the way I do. I have noticed that this is true. No one walks the way I walk. No one talks the way I talk. No one plays the way I play. No one says the things I say. I am special. I am me. There's no one else I'd rather be. Now, our first book for today is I Promise, written by LeBron James, illustrated by Nina Mata, and published by Harper. Copyright 2020. I promise to work hard and do what's right, to be a leader in this game of life. I promise to go to school and read as much as I can, to follow the rules and respect the game plan. I promise to run full court and show up each time, to get right back up and let my magic shine. I promise to be open and try new things and enjoy the happy that change can bring. I promise to wear a big smile and use kindness when I speak, to remain strong yet humble with every win and defeat. I promise to ask for help whenever I need it, to reach for my star, even when I can't see it. I promise to ask questions and find answers, to believe in next time and second chances. I promise to use my voice and stand up for what's right. And when things get tough, to keep up the fight. I promise to stand tall, rise up, and give all that I've got, to throw the alley-oop and uplift others on the spot. I promise to respect my elders and peers the same, to leave new places better than I came. I promise to stay true, keep my head up, and never give up, no matter what. I promise to dream big and love bigger, to be a team player and a winner. I promise to cross bridges and break down walls, to rise with the sun and learn from the falls. I promise to be courageous, to be free, to strive for greatness, I promise to be me. The end. Now, our second book for today is I Believe I Can, written by Grace Byers, illustrated by Katura A. Bobo, and published by Balzer and Bray. Copyright 2020. I can sail like mighty ships. Like the oceans, I run deep. I can stretch just like the Alps until I reach my highest peak. I can charge just like a train. Like a rocket, I'll ignite. Like a star, I can project my brightest shine against the night. I am like the lion's roar. I am like a dragon's flames. I am worthy because I'm me, and there is value to my name. I can build just like a brick. I keep going like a clock. I can hold just like cement. I can last just like a rock. Grounded firm, I'm like the soil. Like the sky, I'm boundless too. When I believe in myself, there's simply nothing I can't do. Like the hero, I am brave and face my fears despite my fright. Because I know I'm not alone. And in the end, I'll be all right. Sometimes I am right, and sometimes I am wrong. But even when I make mistakes, I learn from them to make me strong. I may not win at all I do. I may experience defeat. But I'll dust off and try again to be the best that I can be. I know my power lies within. There's nothing that can hold me down. There is light within my smile. There is voice within my sound. My presence matters in this world. My life is worthy. There's a plan. I know I can do anything. If only I believe I can. The end. Now, an activity you can do to go along with these books is make your own All About Me poster, which you can decorate with crowns, markers, paint, stickers, and pictures to help tell everyone what makes you, you. And another you-themed book you can read is All About Me by Stephanie Reed, which you can access using your library card and pen on Hoopla Digital. The links to each of these can be found in this video's description. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to just be you.